Hi guys, in front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then go to wallpaper and select the picture that you want to apply. So let me choose, for example, this one. As you can see in this catalog you have several more options, but I would like to pick the first one, and now just click on apply and then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. I will pick both, and that's it. That will be all. From now on this picture is assigned to your home screen and also lock screen. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.